Hi, I'm Donna Hummer, and I'm the owner of ConceptuaLine. I do graphic design and website design. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 basic tips on how to make your PowerPoint presentation work for you. Tip number 1, when it comes to font choice, less is more. Don't stress your audience out by bombarding them with too many fonts, like this. Yikes! Instead, limit your font choices to just 2 or 3. But know that it's okay to mix and match different font styles for typographical emphasis. Tip number 2, limit the amount of reading you demand of your audience. Audience members are more likely to retain the meaning of the presentation if they don't have to read a lot of words and listen to the presenter at the same time. Use minimal text with great visuals to communicate your message. Even consider communicating only one idea per slide. Tip number 3, don't leave your graphics floating inside boxed backgrounds. If you want to look like a professional, it's crucial that your logos and graphics have transparent backgrounds. Sometimes this calls for using Photoshop, but there are other methods of obtaining transparent backgrounds also. Generally, you will need your image to be a PNG when you insert it into PowerPoint. So, those are 3 basic but essential PowerPoint tips. You can do so much with your presentation moving forward if you break some old habits and try something new. Or, let me do what I do best. I can make your PowerPoint presentation more professional and powerful. Just contact me via the information provided below. Thanks for your time.